Welcome to the Floral POS. In this video, we're going to show you how to use our new funeral manager. Let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is how to access the funeral manager outside of an order. To do that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the control panel. You're going to click on the System Management tab, and then Funeral Manager. The funeral manager itself has been designed and created for the purpose of saving funerals so you guys can actually access them inside of the delivery screen. It's actually a florist feedback. A couple of florists have mentioned they wanted something like this. I thought it was a great idea, so here it is. It's very easy to add service information. All you do is add first name, last name, all the information about the service itself, service date, and then your service times, and lastly your service instructions. You're also going to notice that you have these icons, the same icons you're going to see on your delivery screen. So you can actually map out the actual service. So you can do your zip code verification. You can save it. You can clear the information. You can actually save the information as a frequent address, or you can actually access your frequent addresses. So let's go ahead and add one real quick. And I'm going to select a funeral home from our frequent addresses. Let's say the service date's on Monday, and it's between 1 and 2. And service instructions is just test. So all you do is click on save, and it's saved for us now. Now everybody has access to it on every station, which is really nice. Lastly, the last thing I want to show you here is you can actually search by service date. So the system itself, when it opens up the funeral manager, it goes 5 days out. So you can see 5 days of funerals that are coming up. You can certainly change this by just selecting a date more in the future and hit search, and it'll bring up all the other ones that are in the future. So that's basically the funeral manager here. So let's go ahead and close out of here. And I know you could actually sit in the back room and you could open my funeral manager and you can start adding all of your funerals that are in the obituaries, but I'm sure not everybody has a dedicated person just to do that. So more likely what's going to happen is you guys are going to add these on the fly. As you guys are doing deliveries, you're going to put all the information in, and you're going to want to add it on the fly so that everybody else has access to that information. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to click on the delivery screen. And what I'm going to do is, if you look here down where all of our neat little tools are, we now have a little house for the funeral manager. If you click on that, you're going to see that's the same one that we saw before, and there's Michael Clark Duncan one that we saw before as well. We're not going to select that one. We're going to make our own. So let's say we're doing Tom Jones. I'm going to go ahead and select my frequent addresses once again. Let's go ahead and select his date. Let's say it's the 2nd. And also let's go ahead and select our times as well. Now all we have to do now is click on the little funeral manager. It's going to suck all that information up. So there it is. There's Tom Jones. Just click on the save button. It's going to save it for us. So we can go to X out of here, and we can continue on with the order and so on and so forth. If we X out of here now and go back into our funeral manager, you're going to notice that there is Tom Jones. Very simple. So recap, we have a new funeral manager, which helps you guys organize your funerals. To get there, you're going to go into Control Panel, System Management, Funeral Manager. You also can access it inside our delivery screen. Very simple, a really nice, useful tool, and a great way for florists to give us feedback and improve the program. Definitely, if you guys use the funeral manager, give us some feedback. Go ahead and click on our little smiley face and send us some feedback so we can improve it and make it better. If you have any questions about our new release here, just give us a call at 888-865-9768, or certainly give us an email at support@thefloralpos.com. Thanks for watching the video. Take care, guys. We'll see you.